Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Python in your phone. If you don't have a computer and you have to do Python in your phone, then guys, this video is for you. After watching this video, you will know how to use Python in your phone. So without going any further, let's begin. First of all, we have to download this app, Pydroid 3. So after downloading this app, we have to open it. Now guys, if you want to download any libraries, then guys, you have to click on this peep. From here you can download library. So for that, first you have to type your library name. So I'm going to type here Kinter. Now click on install. So now click on allow, then here you can see complete. So now this is install. If you want to run your Python code, then guys, here you can type here print then guys, here I'm going to type here hello world. So guys, if you want to run your Python program, then guys, you can click on this. Now guys, here you can see hello world. So guys, like this you can run your Python program. Then guys, lastly, if you want to save this program, then guys, you have to click on this folder tools. Now here you can see save as. So first time you have to click on save as. You can go to internal store. So I'm going to go to internal store, and here you can create a new folder. So I'm going to call this folder Python. Now click on create. Now select this folder, select folder. Now guys, now I'm going to change this file name. Now guys, click on save. So guys, like this you can use in Python. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to get more computer related video, then guys, please make sure to subscribe this channel and you just press the bell icon. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.